my name is Arlan Kapparov. I'm a junior in dual language high school, 11th grade. And I'm a proud owner of this beautiful piece of technology. There you go. And yeah, I have a flip phone. I have a flip phone because my grades weren't looking so hot. So my mom got me this thing, and so I can like focus on school more and not procrastinate as much. Because when I had my phone before, my iPhone, I was procrastinating a lot on social media, like Snapchat, Instagram. So yeah. The phone made me definitely made me more social in regards to like speaking more to my friends in person, not social like on social media, obviously, because there's no social media on this thing. But it made me like pay attention more to my friends when I'm around them. For example, when I go out and eat with my friends, I don't have to like be looking at my phone because there's nothing for me to be looking at here. It's like the screen is the size of it's smaller than the size of my head, whatever. And I just talk to my friends more often. I try to start more conversations with them. Yeah. The flip phone limits me because sometimes when I'm trying to do work or like text somebody really quickly, like it's really easy to do that with an iPhone because it's all a touchscreen, right? This thing is like impossible to use because you have to like press buttons and typing each letter. Like, oh, I have to press each thing like twice to get to the third letter, and I mean 3 times to get to the third letter, and it's annoying. Running late, Mom. Some cons of the flip phone are that it's really, really embarrassing to have this with me because I usually don't even take this out, and this is like a first for me to take this out because like you guys asked me to do this, but yeah, I don't really take this out ever because it just kind of looks bad in public if I'm on the street and I'm like flipping out a flip phone, I'm like, hey, what's up? It doesn't look that good, so I would not take it out in front of my crush because. And if I like pull out if I'm like on a date or something and I'm like, oh, what's your number? And I pull out my flip phone, that'd be really embarrassing. So that probably wouldn't do that. I would just be like, oh, no, my phone's dead, and then I'll just lie that my phone's dead, so I won't have to take it out.
What are you doing? What is that? What?
Yeah. From this experience, I can now say that I'm a proud flip phone owner. People can either love me or hate me on this phone, or like they can think whatever they want, but it doesn't really matter to me because my judgment of myself is what really matters. I don't have to be, how do I say this? I don't have to be like everybody else, yeah. And I can just be myself, and it makes me stand out. So, yeah. For anybody who feels different from the normal crowd, I would tell them you could just own it and be yourself, and you'll just be happier in general.